Hello and welcome to our presentation for ecology. We are Group 11 and we are talking today about deforestation as well as its ecological impact. Now, first of all, let us give a definition towards deforestation. Deforestation refers to a large-scale removal of forests, often to make way for agricultural activities, urban development, or logging. This process significantly impacts the environment. Deforestation contributes to climate change, soil eruption, as well as loss of wildlife. Thus, understanding the causes and consequences of deforestation is essential in addressing this global environmental issue. Hi, it's me again, here to talk to you about reasons for deforestation. Now, let us move on to reasons deforestation occurs on such a large scale. One of the main reasons is agricultural expansion. For example, the Amazonian rainforest has cleared large areas in order to grow soybean and keep up with the demand of food and agricultural products. Additionally, infrastructure development also contributes to deforestation due to urban expansion and industrial areas. For example, recently, there has been construction of the Pan-Borneo Highway that has led to deforestation in the Sabah Sarawak in Malaysia.
Hi everyone, today I will briefly explain how deforestation affects the ecology of the world. Firstly, deforestation destroys natural habitats and food sources, leading to species extinction and reduced genetic diversity. This disrupts food webs, alters the ecosystems, and causes species to migrate, resulting in biotic homogenization, where unique species are replaced by common ones, reducing biodiversity globally. Secondly, forests are vital carbon sinks. When they are cleared or burned, stored carbon is released into the atmosphere, reducing carbon storage capacity and accelerating climate change. For example, in the Amazon, annual deforestation results in massive CO2 emissions that disrupt global climate regulation. Lastly, deforestation degrades soil and interrupts the water cycle. It reduces soil fertility and alters nutrient cycling. This not only affects agriculture but also disturbs the regional climates by changing water balance and rainfall patterns as shown in the diagrams.
Now I will present the ways to decrease the effect of deforestation. First is the reforestation and afforestation. So this restore the ecosystem, sequester carbon, and also enhance the biodiversity. For example, the China's Green Great Wall, which aims to plant the trees along the Gobi Desert Edge. Next is the education and awareness. So this raise the awareness and also inform people about the sustainable practices, value of biodiversity, and also the consequences of forest loss. For example, the Rainforest Alliance campaigns, which educate the consumers to choose certified sustainable products. Next is the sustainable forestry practices. For example, the FSC certified products ensures the wood products come from responsibly managed forests. While for the legislation and policy, governments must enforce laws that prevent illegal logging, regulate land use, and promote sustainable development. For example, the REDD Plus from the Paris Agreement. Besides that, the community-based conservation is also one of the ways which the initiatives empower indigenous and local communities to manage and protect their forest resources, such as the Namibian's communal conservancies. And lastly is the corporate responsibility. Companies can adopt responsible sourcing policies, invest in sustainable practices, and collaborate with stakeholders, such as the Unilever Sustainable Palm Oil Initiative, which reduce the deforestation caused by palm oil production.
In conclusion, deforestation is a major problem that affects the environment, wildlife, and the climate. It is mainly caused by farming, building roads, and other developments. This leads to the loss of plants and animals, soil damage, and the breakdown of important nature services. To reduce the impact, we need to use several stages. This includes using land more wisely, planting more trees, raising awareness, practicing sustainable forestry, creating strong laws involving local communities, and encouraging responsible actions from business. By focusing on sustainability and conservation, we can help stop deforestation and protect nature for the future generations.